Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today we have a beautiful Harley-Davidson Softail Breakout for sale. For the full information on this motorcycle, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112. Ask for John or Dave. The black paint, 10,279 miles on the odometer. This is a 103-inch engine, 6-speed transmission, a bunch of very nice add-ons and extras, including those chrome CVO wheels, Anson Hines big radius exhaust, intake, stage 1 map, in person that exhaust sounds great, at least to me. You can definitely see where the previous owner spent a good bit of time maintaining and keeping the bike in good shape. Brand new front and rear tires on this motorcycle as well. In case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500, extension 112. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.